Noong Hunyo 19, 1861 ay may pinanganak na batang lalaki na nagngangalang Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado Ir Alonzo Realonda sa Calamba, Laguna. Si Rizal ay pangpito sa 11 anak ng kanyang magulang na sina Francisco Mercado at Teodora Alonzo. Sa murang edad ni Jose Rizal ay pinagkitaan na niya ang katalinuhan dahil sa edad na 3 ay natutunan na niya ang alpabeto. At pagtungtong sa edad na 4 ay nagsusulat na ito ng tula. Noong kabataan ni Rizal ay puno ito ng kasiyahan. Ngunit nahaluan ito ng lungkot dahil sa pagkawala ng kanyang kapatid na si Concepcion. Nagkaroon siya ng pagmamahal sa pag-aaral at sining dahil ito sa kanyang tiyuhin at ina upang mahubog para maging pambansang bayani.
Deboto ni Saint Joseph ang kanyang ina at si Saint Protasio ay patron sa Hunyo 19 sa libro sa Excelsis. Piniliwanag dito ng manulat na si Feliz Prudente Santa Maria kung paano nakuha ni Rizal ang palayaw na Pepe. Si Saint Joseph ang putative, commonly accepted father ni Jesucristo. Sa salitang Latin, ang pangalan ni San Jose ay palaging sinusundan ng mga titik na 2 P para sa pater putativus. Sa Espanyol, ang letrang P ay binibigas bilang P na nagbunga ng palayaw na Pepe para kay Jose. Sa edukasyon naman ay unang nag-aral si Rizal sa ilalim ni Justiniano Aquino Cruz sa Biñan, Laguna bago siya ipinadala sa Maynila. Kumuha siya ng entrance exam sa Colegio de San Juan de Letran gaya ng hiniling ng kanyang ama, ngunit nag-enroll siya sa Ateneo Municipal de Manila.
Si Rizal first teacher was his mother, who had taught him how to read and pray and who had encouraged him to write poetry. Later, private tutors taught the young Rizal Spanish and Latin before he was sent to private school in Biñan. When he was 11 years old, Rizal entered the Ateneo Municipal de Manila. He earned excellent marks in subjects like philosophy, physics, chemistry, and natural history. At this school, he read novels, wrote prize-winning poetry, and even a melodrama, and practiced drawing, painting, and clay modeling, all of which remain lifelong interest for him. Si Rizal ang naging unang teacher daw niya yung magulang niya. Ang unang-unang tinuro na kanyang magulang ay ang pagbasa at ang pagdasal. Ininggan niya ng magulang niya siya isisimulat ng isang poetry. Tapos bago siya pumasok sa Biñan, tinuruan muna siya ng isang private tutors ng Spanish at saka Latin. Tapos nung siya 11 years old na, pumasok siya sa Ateneo Municipal de Manila. Pagpasok niya doon, nagkaroon siya ng magandang marka sa subject na philosophy at saka physics, chemistry, and natural history. Tapos nung siya nakapasok na doon, parang pinractice niya yung mga drawing, painting, and clay modeling. Tapos yung lahat ng yun na naging pinigyan niya ng interest.
Story of the Mount is a pregnant tale from the early life of Dr. Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. As a young boy, Rizal was deeply influenced by his mother, Teodora Alonzo, who would often tell him stories with a moral lesson. One of the most memorable stories she told him was about a man that was drawn to a flame. Despite the mother warnings, the man flew too close to the flame and was burned. This still left a lasting impression on young Rizal, symbolizing the dangers of blind ambitions and the importance of heeding wise counsel. Base po dito sa ni Dr. Jose Rizal ay in the story ni Rizal satisfied the months of novel that he shown that he was not dying in vain. He died as a martyr to light the way for his countrymen and women, young boys and girls, and children to embrace education, liberty, and opportunities for happiness.